Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on defense, technology, and military advancements. Today, we are discussing a crucial development in India's fighter jet procurement program, the Multi-Role Fighter Aircraft (MRFA) Request for Proposal (RFP) Issuance, which is now on the fast track. The Indian Air Force (IAF) is set to streamline the tender process for acquiring 114 fighter jets, a move that will significantly enhance India's aerial combat capabilities. Overview of MRFA. The Multi-Role Fighter Aircraft (MRFA) program is one of India's most ambitious defense procurements. It aims to replace the aging fleet of MiG-21s and other legacy aircraft while strengthening the IAF with cutting-edge fighter jets. The deal, estimated at over $20 billion, is expected to be one of the largest military contracts in the world. The program falls under the Make in India initiative, ensuring that a substantial portion of production and technology transfer takes place within India. Why fast-tracking is important? The IAF is currently facing a shrinking squadron strength, with only around 30 operational squadrons against the sanctioned strength of 42 squadrons. With growing threats along India's borders and the rapid modernization of adversaries, there is an urgent need to induct new aircraft at a faster pace. The fast-tracking of the RFP issuance will reduce delays in the procurement cycle, ensuring that the IAF gets the required fighters sooner rather than later. Streamline tender process. The Indian Air Force has learned from the delays and complications of the previous MMRCA, Medium Multi-Role Combat Aircraft, tender, which led to the acquisition of only 36 Dassault Rafale jets instead of the originally planned 126 aircraft. This time, the IAF is simplifying and expediting the tender process by 1. Issuing a clear RFP. The IAF will soon issue a detailed RFP to foreign and domestic manufacturers, specifying the requirements and evaluation criteria. 2. Speeding up technical and commercial evaluations. Unlike the MMRCA process, the technical and commercial assessments will be conducted in parallel, reducing the overall timeline. 3. Enhancing a Make in India collaboration. The plan includes co-production with Indian firms, ensuring local manufacturing and technological advancement. 4. Flexible procurement model. The contract is expected to follow a 30:70 split, with around 30% of the aircraft being directly imported while the remaining 70% will be manufactured in India through partnerships. Potential contenders. Several global aerospace giants are competing for this massive contract, including Dassault Rafale, France, already operational with the IAF, offering a proven track record. Lockheed Martin F-21, USA, an advanced variant of the F-16 tailored for India. Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet, USA, a powerful twin-engine fighter with carrier compatibility. Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe, backed by multiple European nations, offering advanced avionics. Saab Gripen E, Sweden, a highly cost-effective, technologically advanced single-engine jet. Sukhoi Su-35, Russia, a high-performance multi-role fighter with strong maneuverability. MiG Su-35, Russia, an advanced MiG variant designed for modern combat scenarios. India's strategic edge. The MRFA deal is not just about acquiring new aircraft, it is a strategic move to strengthen India's aerospace industry. By mandating technology transfer, the contract will boost India's domestic defense sector, potentially benefiting companies like HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and private firms such as Tata and Reliance Defense. With the RFP issuance fast-tracked, the IAF expects to complete the evaluation and contract negotiations within 2 to 3 years. The first batch of aircraft could start arriving by 2028, with full production ramping up soon after. The fast-tracking of the MRFA RFP marks a significant step toward modernizing the Indian Air Force. This streamlined procurement process will ensure that the IAF remains combat-ready and capable of tackling future threats. Stay tuned for further updates as we track this critical defense acquisition. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on defense, technology, and military advancements.